Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Kaneez Fatima, Associate Professor, Faculty of Geographical Science, Rama University, Kanpur. Today, my topic is Geographical Indication and my subject is Intellectual Property Right. Then, Introduction. The GI tag is also known as the geographical indication. Geographical indication is a sign provided to certain commodities or product based on their geographical location, which include the place of origin, region, town and country. The Darjeeling tea is India's first product to get the geographical indication tag. This tag is considered as a certification which includes whether the product is produced according to traditional methods. This facilitates that no other authority other than authorized users are permitted to take the popular product name. That India has adopted a sui generis system concerning geographical indication of Goods and Registration and Protection Act 1999 operationalized the structure required by geographical indication Goods Registration and Protection Rules 2002. The term geographical indication is defined under section 2E. Under the rules, it means an indication which identifies a commodity or a product as a natural good, agricultural good or manufacturing good. Concerning the place or region, the quality of these goods is derived from the geographical places for the origin. Geographical indication of Goods Registration and Protection Act 1999 and Geographical indication of Goods Registration and Protection Rules 2002. It is an indication. It originates from a definite geographical territory. It used identify agricultural, natural and manufactured goods. The manufactured goods should be produced and processed, prepared in the territory. It should have a special quality or reputation or other characteristics. Then, examples of Indian geographical indication: Basmati rice, Darjeeling tea, Kanchipuram silk sari, Alfonso mango, Nagpur orange, Kolhapur chappal and Bikaneri bhujia, Agra petha and Kadaknath murga. It is also geographical indication tag. This is an example of Kadaknath murga, haldi. It is also geographical tags. Agriculture item with GI tags. All GI tags items are divided into 12 categories as agriculture, handicapped, manufacture, production, foodstuffs, textiles, natural goods, handicapped crafts, natural species, forest production, forest produce and footwears also. Here we are going to look into agriculture item. Let us see how many are there and how many we are actually aware of. There are 96 GI tagged agriculture produced in total. We are aware as Assam Kaji Nemu, as Assam lemon. Assam lemon is a Kaji Nemu, Assam Karbi, Anglong ginger, Tejpur lychee, Andhra Pradesh ka Guntur, Sanam, chili, Arabica coffee, Arunachal Pradesh, Arunachal orange, Bihar as a Bihar ke Bhagalpuri Jardalu, Gujarat Gir Kesar mango and Bhalia wheat. It's also indicate to GI tag. Karnataka as a Korgi orange, Mysore betel leaf and Arabica coffee, Bangalore bluegrass, Bangalore rose onion, Arabica coffee. As a Kolhapur chappal and Nagpur oranges. Agra ka pitha is a traditional Indian sweets, particularly famous from the city of Agra in India. Also indicate to GI tag. World Intellectual Property Organization WIPO, according to WIPO, a geographical indication is a distinctive sign which has a specific origin and which showcases the qualities or traits that are possessed by the goods. Paris Convention for the Protection of Industrial Property 1883 and Madrid Agreement for Repression of False or Deceptive Indication of Source of Good 1891. Procedure for registration section 11 to 16 GI Geographical Indication 2002. As application for registration or any other document may be filled directly in the GI registry, Chennai, or may be sent by post or registered post, or speed post or courier service. The GI registry is situated at Geographical Indication Registry Intellectual Property Office Building, Then Chennai, an association of person or producers or any organization or authority established by under any law representing the interest of the producers of the concerned good may apply for registration of geographical tags. An Indian application for the registration of a geographical indication can be made in typical from Form GI-1A for single class and GI-1C for multiple classes. A convention application shall be made in triplicate in Form GI-1B for single class and GI-1D for multiple classes. Then the Register of GI publishes all the GI application and authorized users application in the GI journal. The GI journal is being published and is made available to the public ordinarily in the first week of every month through the official website. The notice of opposition shall be filed only before the registrar of geographical indication. Where no notice of opposition is filed to an application for the registration of geographical indication, advertise or re-advertise in the journal within the period specified, or where an opposition is filed and it dismissed and the appeal period is over, the registrar shall enter the geographical indication. Then the registration of geographical indication shall be for a period of 10 years, which may be renewed from time to time in accordance with provisions of this section 18, and section 21 is exclusive right to use of geographical indication. To obtain relief in respect of infringement of the GI, then infringement and offences of penalty, no person shall be entitled to institute and proceeding to prevent or recover damages for the infringement, section 20. A registered geographical indication is infringed by a person who, not being as authorized, uses such GI by any means in the designation or presentation of goods that indicates or suggests that such good originate in the geographical area. Then explanation given section 22 hereby that penalty prescribed for the offence mentioned in section 39 is imprisonment not is less than 6 months and up to 2 lakhs. The penalty for the offence mentioned under section 42 shall be punishable with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 3 years with fine or both. To conclude, this particular legislation adequately provides legal protection and recognition of the geographical indication of goods in India. The effective rules and guidelines issued time to time under this act also facilitate and manage the GLS across the country. Now, the number of the GLS in relation to goods in India is increasing manifold due to awareness and effectiveness of this legislation. The cognizance of an offence mentioned under these section would be Metropolitan of Judicial Magistrate of first class as prescribed under the sections 15. Any suit for the infringement of a registered GI or relating to any right in a registered GI or passing of the goods, whether having registered or unregistered GI, shall be instituted in district court having jurisdiction to the suit. Section 66. The relief which is a district court may grant any suit of infringement on passing of in section 66 and 67. That's all. Thank you.